Are your walls looking dull and empty? Want to add a personal touch to your home without spending a fortune? If you love DIY home decor, then you're in the right place. In today's video, we'll explore creative wall-hanging craft ideas that are not only budget-friendly but also trendy and stylish. From DIY macramé wall hangings to handmade floral wall art, we have easy wall decor ideas that will instantly transform your space. Stay with us till the end because we'll also share pro styling tips to make your handmade wall decor look even more professional. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more DIY home decorating ideas. Now, let's get started. DIY macramé wall hanging. One of the biggest trends in boho wall decor is DIY macramé wall hangings. These gorgeous woven pieces add texture and elegance to any space. The best part? You don't need to be an expert in knotting. For this craft, you'll need cotton rope, a wooden dowel, and scissors. Start by cutting equal lengths of rope and tying them to the dowel using a lark's head knot. Once your base is ready, experiment with simple macramé knots like the square knot or double half hitch to create patterns. Want a minimalist wall hanging? Stick to neutral tones like beige or white. If you prefer a boho chic aesthetic, go for colorful yarn or dip dye your macramé for a gradient effect. Not only are macramé wall hangings easy to make, but they also complement various decor styles like Scandinavian, farmhouse, and rustic home decor. Plus, they make for an amazing handmade gift. DIY paper flower wall art. Looking for a budget-friendly wall decor idea? Try DIY paper flowers. Handmade floral wall art is perfect for those who love soft, feminine aesthetics or want to add a pop of color to their walls. To create these beautiful flowers, you'll need colored craft paper, scissors, glue, and floral wire. Start by cutting petals in different sizes. Layer them together, securing each piece with glue to create a realistic blooming effect. Once your flowers are ready, arrange them in clusters on a foam board or directly on the wall using double-sided tape. For a romantic and dreamy look, go for pastel shades like blush pink, lavender, and soft peach. If you want something more vibrant, mix bold colors like red, yellow, and fuchsia. DIY paper flower walls are ideal for wedding backdrops, accent walls, or even a cozy reading corner. This idea is a trending favorite among DIY room decor lovers, especially for bedrooms, nurseries, and living rooms. Plus, it's super customizable, so you can match it to your existing decor effortlessly. Textured canvas wall art. If you love modern home decor, then DIY textured canvas art is a must-try. This technique lets you create unique, abstract wall paintings without needing any painting skills. For this craft, grab a blank canvas, modeling paste or joint compound, a palette knife, and acrylic paints. Use the palette knife to spread the paste across the canvas in different patterns. Think waves, geometric shapes, or a simple swirled texture. Let it dry overnight before painting over it in neutral, earthy, or metallic tones. The best thing about handmade textured wall art is that it can blend seamlessly into minimalist, modern, or Scandinavian interiors. You can also create a DIY gallery wall by combining different-sized canvases with similar textures and color palettes. This budget-friendly DIY art is an excellent way to add a touch of luxury to your home decor without breaking the bank. Embroidery. Hoop wall hangings. Want a unique way to decorate your walls? Embroidery hoop wall hangings are a stunning and easy way to add character to any space. This hand-stitched wall decor has gained popularity for its chic and cozy vibe. To make one, you'll need wooden embroidery hoops, fabric, embroidery floss, and a needle. Choose a linen or cotton fabric as your base and stretch it over the hoop. Use simple stitches like the backstitch, satin stitch, or French knots to create patterns, floral designs, or even inspirational quotes. For a modern twist, add beads, sequins, or even LED fairy lights around the hoop. You can also create a boho-style embroidery hoop wall hanging by adding tassels or lace. Arrange multiple hoops in different sizes for an eye-catching display. These DIY embroidery hoops work beautifully in bedrooms, entryways, and even office spaces. Upcycled and recycled. Wall decor. If you love eco-friendly home decor, why not try upcycled wall art? Using recycled materials not only helps the environment, but also lets you create one-of-a-kind wall decor pieces. One great idea is a DIY magazine collage wall art. Collect old magazines, cut out interesting patterns, and glue them onto a canvas or cardboard to form a colorful mosaic. Another fantastic idea is using scrap fabric to create a boho wall hanging. Simply tie different fabric strips onto a wooden dowel to create a stunning tapestry-style piece. For those who enjoy rustic home decor, repurpose old wooden pallets or driftwood into DIY wooden wall hangings. You can paint inspirational quotes, stencil designs, or even add hooks to turn them into functional wall organizers. By using recycled wall decor ideas, you're not only saving money but also reducing waste. Plus, every piece tells its own unique story. Final styling tips. Now that you've got some amazing DIY wall hanging craft ideas, let's talk about styling them. To create a cohesive and balanced wall display, mix different sizes and textures. For example, pair a macramé wall hanging with a textured canvas art piece for contrast. If you're working with multiple small pieces like embroidery hoops or paper flowers, arrange them in asymmetrical layouts for a more dynamic look. Lighting also plays a huge role in showcasing your handmade wall decor. Use warm LED strip lights or fairy lights to enhance textures and colors. If your wall art includes metallic or glass elements, position them near natural light sources for added shine. So, which DIY wall hanging was your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss out on more home decorating ideas. Thanks for watching and happy crafting!